Good morning fam, and welcome to another vlog with the Vee family. Today is Friday and we thought we'll take you guys along on our weekend of cakes. You ready, babe?
Not really, this is the beginning of our week. You can tell them what I'm tired.
Friday and Saturdays are our go days, so where everything comes together. Today, right now, we're going to drop off our sweets, our cakes and banoffee pies. We're going to Kiri Pacific first, and then we're going to Pacific Row. Before we were doing the drop-offs on Friday night or Saturday morning, so that it's ready from Saturday and Sunday, but we've changed it up and we're going from Friday, so we're dropping it up this Friday morning at both stores.
This is the second week that we've tried this and it's good.
Yeah.
Appreciate everyone that comes through and gets our stuff, man. Mad love.
That morning sky, it's 7:25. Richie's got his first coffee. Cheers, baby.
Can you see that difference right there? I normally I don't
This
mind
is the
milk.
good stuff. He's got the yuck stuff.
I've always drank black coffee like in the morning for my workouts and that, but I used to love a good latte. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Now I've learned to love these, the long blacks. But I used to love lattes and I always wondered why I keep going toilet straight after. Your boy's lactose intoleration.
Wow.
Right now we're chucking our banoffies. These are our banoffies and that.
Look at that.
We've chucked our banana cakes in. Our banoffies, we just try and put them wherever there's space in that, because Kiri Pacific, man, they're always chockers. They got everything here. But yeah, so our banana cakes are there and our banoffies are going here.
Usually they're in the front.
Yeah, but they're chockers with donuts and that shit. Look at it. Look at this, it's like 7:30 or almost 8 o'clock and they got full range right here. They got all your goods as well, look at that. So we are now here at Fefe Hake Mate Matonga MMT. Let's go. What are you laughing for? You're laughing at my Tongan, man. I've been straight fluent in Tongan, bruh. Say beshana. Yeah, their food's not ready yet, but their pies are. Look at that, but potato top, or seafood, bacon and egg, sausage rolls, Ishay, Adelaide. They got the treats over here, bro. You know the vibes.
After dropping off our order to Pacific Row, I dropped off Richie to the gym, and I'm just out grabbing the flowers and the greenery for the cakes. These roses, look at the colors that they have. They're so pretty. Look at that. There's such a nice variety. This is Mr. Fresh Wholesale. So look at that. Here are the flowers I got. Got some yellow roses, some greenery, white roses, more greenery, smaller yellow roses. Just a bunch of different ones, and I got this really nice yellow orchid as well. Picked up the cake toppers. Ooh. Let me show you. I got the Sing one, this 21st one. This one is just the name. This is a frapper, so I can stick into the front of the cake. I got another 21st, and this is a wedding topper. And these are all for this weekend. I get my cake toppers locally, so I always have to drive to pick them up, but it's not too far. But now that I've got them, we can go and pick up Richie now.
Wifey right now is completing our cake for today.
Yeah.
And while she's doing that, it's a wedding, I'll be doing all the flowers. And yeah, shout out to my mum, she's taking the boys to wherever they gotta go so we can finish these off. But yeah, that's age. What do you think of my coconut ruffles covering, babe? As you can see, wifey, you know, when she's it's intense. It's intense right now, you know. Gotta get all this done in an hour.
And I'm stressed, it ain't a good time.
And we just work quietly. This is what I mean by what I do with the flowers. We cover the bottoms of them, you know. And yeah, just a few more left. Wifey's just straightening them up, and then once we
down them,
stack them,
and then
yeah,
stack the first 3 and then the other 2 at the venue.
So yeah, so we have just arrived here at the venue. Had a few hiccups.
We forgot a part of the cake, but luckily they have a cake shop, the one that we normally go to.
Yeah,
that's over here.
Cake supply shop.
Yeah. So it's like a clear acrylic tier. That's what we forgot. Luckily there's a shop here that we were able to go buy. It was like an extra 30 minutes on top, but if we had to go back it would have been like another hour.
Yeah. Thought I'll show that guy that commented and said buy you some new shoes. I did. How you like that? Huh?
Only like 6 months later.
Let's go, babe, let's go. We're here at the Grand. Pretty big venue. And I just seen that Q Pacific's catering them. Oh, the west side taking over the south side. Sorry? It's part of the cake. Later, G. These are the flowers that I prepared earlier. Huh?
Good flower.
Oh yeah, so this is the, what do you call this, man?
This is it. We had to go and pick up the clear acrylic tier, or like, what's it called, a fillable cake stand or something?
Yeah. Just put these flowers down there. But yeah, this is what we use to warm up like the, what is this bit? Like the ganache in it. So it's Ezekiel's bottle warmer. So right now wifey's just stacking it in that. How do I turn it around? So wifey stacked it. Because wifey's a bit short, she has to use a chair. But that is a tall ass cake though, look at it. It's a massive cake. That's mad. This venue we've delivered here a couple of times. It's quite a nice venue. Yeah, a lot of, even the guy that owns it, he's a real cool guy. He knows us because we come here a lot to deliver cakes. He was saying to us, only one cake? Because normally it's like 10 side cakes or something like that. Yeah. We've literally delivered a cake like this size. Oh no, 2 of these kind of cakes and 18 side cakes at this place at one time. Wifey's hack.
Figured out a hack.
Yeah, wifey's hack. Not me. Can't say me.
Because usually when we go to venues, not all of them have a microwave, and that's what we use to soften the buttercream or ganache.
Yeah.
And so I was like, oh my gosh, we can just use Ezekiel's bottle warmer.
Yeah.
And it just melts it.
Wifey's looking like a Ishay lad. What's that, babe?
This is chocolate ganache. If you're gonna stick anything to like buttercream, chocolate ganache is your go-to because it's sticky. If you use buttercream, it can just slide, like when it gets soft.
Yeah.
It tends to slide off more. But if you use ganache, it's more of a sticky feeling to it. So I feel like it attaches more better to the buttercream.
You would know that.
What is like a flat surface? You can only do like that part. Like you can't do the whole thing because it doesn't curve.
I was gonna say, why don't you just?
Yeah, so I'm just trying to get like the middle part.
As I was saying before, wifey knows it because you used to do buttercream ever.
Yeah.
And it used to sort of slide.
Yeah, it used to give me the meanest stress and anxiety.
Yeah. Where's it gonna go, babe? Right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. It should stay there. Ta-da!
Let's go. Now it's time for the flowers, man.
Here's another hack. Not really a hack, but a tool.
What do you do?
Because like the flower stems, they're soft. So what you do is just prep a hole first with your paintbrush, and then it'll be easy for you to just stick it in, or else the stem will just break as you're trying to put it in. It slips right in.
Can you get it in?
Yeah.
Let me... Bit of a hanging daffodil. I don't even know. Is it? What is it?
It's an orchid.
Okay. Yang ali wa daffodil le mea. One cake down, 4 cakes to go.
Her theme was Aldele, so I think she went to college. I'm not sure if they went there, but that's why it has the 3 stripes. So that's why she chose the green, the emerald green, I think. Aldele.
Yep.
Oh look, can you see it? Like when you go back, it looks like it's floating.
Yeah, it does look from here. Yeah, magic trick of the... There's so much going on at the back, so it's hard to try and see.
Couple.
Yeah, that's a couple there. Shout out to you guys.
Thank you for choosing us for your special day.
Let's go.
Wedding cake delivery done. We grabbed some snacks.
100% sugar free.
I grabbed the 420 pie, the cheeseburger flavor. You got a what? Krispy Kreme donut?
One donut and a coffee. Oh damn.
Our drive back is 1 hour and 20 minutes. It hasn't even changed from the last 20 minutes, right?
It's gonna be, and it's, I think it's only like 50 minutes from us, but because of
the traffic's really bad.
It's
So,
crazy.
We have some snacks before we're stuck in the road for a long time.
What'd you get?
They had the spicy ramen for $1.50.
Let's go.
Look at this. The sticker said $1, and then they went and wrote on the sticker.
What, $1.50? This is what they don't tell you when you run your own little business. It doesn't stop. Gee. Bro, look at that jaw. It looks like an easy jaw just to go. Gee, you got some nice teeth there, bro. This is one of the other cakes that wifey's just finishing off. 1 out of 4 that
No, 1 out of 10.
got to complete. Very hectic here at the Vee Family residence.
No, I give it a 10 out of 10 actually.
Brother, we're not... Brother.
And guess you made it me.
We've got a bit of cooking going on here. Bit of mince, bit of this. Taco Friday, sorry. Yeah. So, yeah. What?
Can I have some of this?
Yeah, bro. Because look at your teeth, G. Come here.
Guys, my name's Eli. Hey, that was an ugly face.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday today. Saturday is footy day, so Evander has his game, and it's his last game because we'll be off to New Zealand next week for I think around 9 days. So he misses his last 2 games. So today is his last game for the season. And I'm so sad because I miss it, but I got to finish off these cakes, and at least Richy can be there. So Richy's there with the boys. I'm gonna finish off these cakes. I finished 4 orders are going out today. 2 cakes are done, and then I just gotta finish off the last 2. This is the first one that's done. They wanted gold, green marble with some gold flakes, so that's that one. And here is the, sorry, excuse the tape on the fridge. This is the other one that's done. So they wanted salmon and moldy patterns and the Sing theme for the movie. I mean the Sing movie theme, oh my gosh, combined with salmon and moldy patterns. So that one's done. And then I just gotta finish off these ones and stack them. Let's go.
So right now we're at Big E's game. Morning. Cherish is at home finishing off cakes and stuff like that. And I had to bring the Evander to his game, and yeah, He plays for the under-10 Roosters. We're playing against Sunshine and that, so I'll get a few snips of the game in that. Small lady. Oh man. I got my sister and my brother here. Is it this field? Solid. In 1980s. I had to come with this little. What is it? No, stay here. Yeah, face him that way so he's the same as this guy. Yeah, face that way. Idiot. Here's the boys. Boys are first try scorers. Look at Big E. I know. A very intense game, you know. We're out here shouting our lungs out. The boys are up by 2 tries. This team's actually a real good team. But yeah, very first half. The boys are playing good. So yeah, a bit nervous. Even though they're up, they got some real good players and that in this team. So. Ooh.
Yeah, you wanna go to the park and compare.
So we ended up getting the win, eh, Ezekiel? Huh? We got the win. It was a close game. But yeah, the boys got into a little bit of a scuffle. And at that age, I'm like, "Aye, take it easy." It reminds me of E.T. Smith. I gave I think because they're undefeated as well, Sunshine gave them their first L. And the boys are going undefeated still. Hey, yeah? That's age. What do you have to say?
This.
Alright, look at this guy. I said it over, get it all over. Tell it. Let's go, there comes the boys. Look at the boys. Boys. Nice work, boys, nice work. Biggie. Biggie. Boys. Nice game, SJ. Nice game. Let's go, Roosters! Oh, parents and that. Hey, tell me, what's this guy up to? This guy needs to relax. Shh. Let's go, boys!
Third cake is done. Now I just gotta finish off that last one. Time to box the first cake to go. Just finished taking the photos and the videos for it.
First cake for Saturday.
Oh, first cake for today.
Second cake.
Huh?
Second cake if it's
Good check on Ezekiel. He's alright, okay? He's outside, okay?
Yep. She's gonna take that one and that one as well. Just need to take photos and videos of that one first. That's how we set up for our photos. Richy is the photo stand. We got a handy dandy ring light, and that's all it is. So you see, if I go like this and I cut Richy there, you won't even know that. You won't even see all the mess at the back.
Just finished dropping off the first cake of 2 that I got over in Mountain and that. And my co-worker and my co-worker, look at him, he's conked out. Yeah, so.
This cake is finally completed. This was a African Pacifica theme that they wanted. And this one's going to the south side. Second to last delivery. Babe, hurry up. Alright. I can close the door. I can close it. Alright, shut it. Shh.
I missed it by much.
Son is going to Balaclava Hotel. Go. Okay, I'll hold the box there. Yes. Setup is already ready. Oh, careful. Yeah. That's a nice little venue, eh?
Okay.
That one's done. We gotta go and take some quick photos of the cake and then we're off. The last one to be delivered, all the way in the southeast. Let's go. Aye, what the? Here at Kids Space. Let's go. Cannot wait to be done. Just gonna close the car. And that's a wrap, guys. Sorry that kind of ended. It was just a long day. So
Hopefully that sort of shows like how busy we get and stuff like that. So finally looking forward to a little break that we're gonna have.
I just want to say thank you to everyone who placed an order with us, whether it's custom cakes or you bought any of our sweets from Kiwi Pacific or Pacific Grow. It's always so cool, like when we what's the word I'm trying to say?
What, when people show love? And
Yeah, like we're always so grateful and appreciate it.
grateful,
Like it's so cool that we can live off the small business that we have and that we can actually do it together as well. So we always are always grateful and thankful. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was quite a stressful one, so we did try our best to capture the moments as we went. But yeah, that's it from us
So far.
so far.
See you in the next.